Hi guys, how are you? Hope you're well. So, the last couple of weeks I've been collecting some plastic bottles and I was thinking, what can I do with them? And I thought I could play bowling. I've got a ball at home and I collected 6 plastic bottles. I've got big ones, but you could collect some small ones, big ones. You can even play with toilet rolls, cans, even with your toys. And I've got a big ball, but you can use a small ball, a ball made out of paper and sellotape. You can use everything you've got at home. So I'm gonna show you how I play. So this is how I put the plastic bottles. I put 3 at the back, 1, 2, 3. Then I put 2 in the middle and 1 in the front. And I fill them with a little bit of water because today is a bit windy and they were all falling over. Okay, so now I'm ready to play some bowling. Ready, steady, go! So now I'm gonna use some toilet rolls I've been collecting and this ball I made out of paper and sellotape. Do you wanna see how I do it? Okay, ready, steady, go! Yoo-hoo! Hope you enjoy, guys. Bye.